It's like lacrosse.
It's like what those people play outside. Isn't that awesome?
Let's open this one.
Knock it on the floor.
Huh?
Never mind.
I should use this on ABC Week.
That one's for Mom and Dad.
Thanks. Yours? My mom and dad?
Yeah.
Can you open?
What's the muscles behind it?
Cool. I'm working. It's one of my favorite things.
One of your favorite things?
Yeah, that I never had.
What is it?
Oh. It's a puzzle.
Very good.
It's a Spider-Man puzzle.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
I do like it.
I'll put it down. I want to open this.
Okay, well, you gotta come sit over here.
Oh,
I'll bring it over.
I can, because I have the biggest muscles.
Oh, you do have big muscles now that you're 5, huh?
Yeah. Oh. Cool. Cool. Can you unwrap this tape? I could use this on ABC Day. Unwrap that one. I can use this thing on ABC Day.
Just pull the paper, buddy.
I don't want to. I want to use this for ABC Day.
Paper.
I want to save this paper for ABC Day.
I used it all, too.
ABC Day is my favorite day of the week. Look!
Hey, go ahead.
What is it?
I don't know. Open it.
Then that piece.
Okay.
Oh, look on the other side.
I don't know. Lift it up. What is that?
Oh,
What is that?
I don't know. I never saw it before.
It's
You
a
know-
snow cone maker.
Can I make snow cones?
To
Yeah.
make snow cones.
Real snow cones?
Yeah, real snow
Come
cones.
sit over here so Daddy can take you.
You can make real snow cones now.
So I can be ice cream man.
You can be your own ice cream man.
And this one is from...
Let's forget about it.
This one's from Grandma and Grandpa Meadows.
Mom, can you open all these cakes?
Well, we already saved this one. You can just rip into this. Mommy has
Hey,
saved
what do you
this
say to Grandma and Grandpa Meadows?
Thank you.
There you go.
Wood. It's my own wood to make a birdhouse.
Yeah.
Are you going to build something else now?
I'm gonna build something that can make. I'll try.
You gonna build a birdhouse?
Yeah. I wonder what this wood. I wonder what that one, the rectangle one is. Let's save that paper for later.
Okay. Well, I saved the big piece for ABC Week.
I'm gonna rip this paper. I'm not gonna use it for ABC Week. Only that paper.
Okay.
Can you do this?
Daddy's good at wrapping.
Yeah, he's good. Very good. That's amazing good.
Okay, just pull it down. Pull it.
Oh. Let me another. Look. What's in there?
This one's like 6
Oh, I see
layers.
it.
I just kind of wrapped it with the rest of it.
I see it coming. Oh, what is it?
It's a puzzle.
Another one.
Yeah.
All right.
That's.
One more. Come sit over here.
I can do this one all by myself. Whoa! What is it?
It's a light up yo-yo ball.
Why do you use that?
Watch.
Pull the string on it.
Watch.
So I'm going to be scared in the dark.
Watch. 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 And then it comes back to you.
It come back to you if it was out of the package.
What else do we have here?
That's it.
That's it.
Oh, your card.
Oh, you got a card, that's right.
And that's another present. I wonder what it says.
think that's what it says?
Yeah, that's all. I see it. Oh, I read this. Oh, it's fun. Oh, you sent this letter to SpongeBob already.
And
Yeah,
remember, it
because
was your birthday.
You sent this letter to, you sent the letter to SpongeBob already?
Yeah, you know what it says?
What?
It's your birthday, 5-year-old. Hope you catch a good time. Enjoy being 5. Love Mom and Dad.
I do.
You do.
I love both of you.
Aww.
I love you and you.
Love you and
Can you
her
do a
too.
videotape again?
What?
Can you do more videos?
It's still going.
What do you want him to videotape you doing?
Playing the balloons. Please.
So how old are you?
5.
You're 5 years old.
Yeah. I caught it. I'm gonna try it out in my room.
All right. I love you.
Can I make a snow cone?
Well, not right now, but in a little bit we'll make snow cones, okay?
Okay.
Isn't that neat?
Look what else I can do with it.
Whoa. Look what I can do. Look what I can do.
Ooh. Ooh. Where's the other presents?
They're all right here. And you got your puzzles over there.
That's the puzzle. That's the puzzle place.
You're going to make your birdhouse.
All by myself.
You're not going to have Daddy help you at all?
Well, I do know how to make it. I do know how to make it.
All by yourself? But then whose thumbs are you going to hit with the hammer if you don't have Daddy there?
Well, I think I'll try. Ooh.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Calvin. Happy birthday to you. All right, make a wish.
I wish that I could never mess up my room again.
Never ever?
Never ever.
Never.
Calvin, you didn't blow it out. Okay, let's see. Let's see if it's blown out. Let's see.
I think you may have gotten them.
Did you get them? Did you get them? Let's see.
Yeah.
I don't know. They're still kind of sparking. Hang on.
That means
Oh,
I saw that.
you're not very good at blowing out candles. I'm glad we got a personal cake that's all spit over. Okay, let's sit back and let's see. Let's see, are they going to light back up? Hang on, let's see. Do they light back up?
Yeah. The only do when I blow on them.
Hang on, well, let's see. Let's see. Maybe they're done.
Oh.
I think we're good.
All right, good
I'll do
job.
the plastic knife.
Oh, you're gonna need a. Mommy's gonna have to do this part,
Yeah,
buddy.
Mommy, get this part, okay?
It's cold.